This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger app not working on Android phone. So if you're trying to open your Facebook Messenger, if it's not opening or if it's not working, follow these easy steps to fix this Messenger error. The first solution is go to your Android phone settings and here scroll down and tap on apps. And here scroll down and search for Facebook Messenger. Tap on Messenger. And firstly, we will force stop. So tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Once done, here tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. And then tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Once done, go ahead and try to reopen your Facebook Messenger app and check the error. The second solution is check for any update. Go to your Play Store and here search for Messenger. If you see any update available, then update the Messenger app and then try to reopen the app and check the error. And the next solution is turn off your Android phone and turn it back on, or you can restart your device. And after quickly following all of this solution, hope the error will be fixed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.